Hi, in this tutorial we will create a cool style title animation that you can use to create your own trailer. First, create a new composition and rename it as text. Write your own text, and the red color behind background is nothing, it's transparent behind. Create a new composition and rename it as text overlay. These are the two assets that I will be using. This is the silver texture. Pre-comp it and change the height and width to 1920 to 1080. I will apply a mask around it like this. Scale it down. Like this. Control D to duplicate it. Again Control D to duplicate it. Create a new null object. Parent these and decrease the scale. So set the texture in this way that it looks like this. Rename it to metal texture. Pre-comp this metal texture and rename it as metal texture final. Use effect motion tile. Change the width and height to 500. Check mirror edges. Keyframe the position and move it like this. Go back to text overlay. Add text one here and under it add metal texture final. Apply two effects on this metal texture final. First is CC glass. Change the source to text 1. Softness to 75. Height 95 and displacement to -200. And that's fine. And next we are using distort effect. CC mobilize. And you can also use it. Change the source to text 1. Change the softness to 7 and cut away to 0. Once you have done this, in the track mat, set the track mat to text 1. So you can see our text is ready. Next, enable the 3D on these layers and this text overlay, pre-comp this layer, enable 3D and rename it as metal text. Create a new composition, rename it as main comp. Add this metal text one here. Enable the 3D. Add a new camera layer. Also create a null object, enable 3D on it and parent the camera one to this null object. Keyframe the position and increase its size and increase it like this. Also enable the motion blur around 2 seconds. Change the z-axis to 0. So you can see this text will come towards the screen in 3D. Create a new composition, rename it as final comp. Create a new solid, change its color to black. Rename it as background. Add main composition here like this. Rest this texture mixed with the lighting here, like here, and in the toggle switches change its mode to screen and change the opacity to 95. Use curves, apply on this and select the blue, increase it like this and also go to green and in the red. So make the changes in the curves like this. Create a new adjustment layer. Use effect, see camera lens blur, and increase the radius to 35. Keyframe it at this point when text is appearing inside of the screen. Like this. Change it to 0. You can see our text is ready. We just need to colorize now our text. In the final composition, pre-comp it and rename it as golden comp. This will be our final composition. Use effect tritone and change the mid-tone to the golden color. Like this. In this way, you can see our gold title is ready. And if you don't want to use this tritone, leave it. You will have a silver color. So you have two variants. One is gold title and other is silver title. And this way you can create multiple text compositions and join them to create your own trailer. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share with others. Till then, I will see you in next video.